Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. In this video I will be showing Chettinad chicken gravy. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. For Chettinad chicken, take 1 kilo of chicken and cut it into pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 cup of yogurt or thick curd. Coat chicken pieces well with the yogurt. Marinate chicken for about 30 minutes. Heat the pot to prepare chettinad masala powder. Add 2 inches of cinnamon stick and 8 cloves, 6 green cardamom, 2 star anise. In low heat, fry them for a minute. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 4 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 red chillies. Fry them in low heat till they slightly changes color. Add 1 cup of grated fresh coconut. Stir and fry it for 2 minutes. Add 7 to 8 cashews. Fry them till the coconut slightly changes color and turns aromatic. Turn off the heat and cool down the spices. Transfer the dry roasted spices to the mixer and grind it into a coarse powder. Heat the pot and add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 bay leaves, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Add salt as required and sort them. Onions turns transparent. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and the freshly ground chettinad masala powder. Mix well and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 4 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. Mix them well. Close the lid and cook tomatoes till they are soft and mushy. Add 1 cup of water. Check salt and add it if required and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the marinated chicken pieces into the masala mixture. Sort the chicken pieces well in the masala mixture. Add little water and handful of curry leaves. Close the lid and cook chicken for about 30 minutes. Stir it in between. You can see oil is separated and the chicken is cooked well. Add chopped coriander leaves. Give it a mix and turn off the heat. Chettinad chicken gravy is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.